Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. My name is Christy, and we'll be sharing with you a series of videos about common kitchen remodeling mistakes and tips on how to avoid them. If you need help with your kitchen project, I hope this video series helps. Have you busted your budget on a kitchen remodeling project? I know I did. If you're going for a kitchen remodel, be careful about what you're getting into, or you might end up spending all of your savings and end up using your credit card way too much. Now here are 5 tips on how not to bust your budget. Number 1, keep an eye on the budget. Basic rule of remodeling is to keep a strict control on your budget and don't go over. Number 2, make a list of whatever you want. List them so that everything gets done within the decided budget. Number 3, set aside 10% of the remodel budget to accommodate a little wiggle room in case of additional expenses. Number 4, stick to the plan. Stay with the list that you have made. You don't want to go off of this list. Number 5, money is what matters. Don't just keep spending it, but keep track of it. So just follow all of these tips, and I bet you will stay away from crossing the red line. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure that you guys are subscribed to our channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos in this series. Thanks, and see you soon.